I thought I would show you just a few of the new things I've seen at Aldi. They had some really nice memory foam bath rugs. They had a lot of ladies' activewear, even some bathing suits and stuff like that I had not seen before. They even had some Aussie hair stuff, got a sonic electric toothbrush, and this collagen protein that I see a lot of people using, the letterboard. These tablecloths were so adorable. Very good price on them as well. And these little candles were so cute in these little tins. Little 3-wick camping candles. So cute. This was a cute little double-decker drink dispenser. And this cutting board with like the little tray in it was adorable, and all these little farmhouse supplies. I think the little butter holder was my favorite. Hey friends, I'm Mel. Welcome to my kitchen. I hope you enjoyed that little bit of what's new at Aldi. Quite a few new things since last time I was there. If you enjoy grocery hauls and saving money, you're in the right place. I share my grocery hauls every week and tips and tricks on how I stock up little by little to have a working pantry so that when I need to put a meal together, I have everything pretty much that I need on hand. So if that is something you're interested in, I would love it if you subscribed and came back every week to see how we do this a little bit at a time. And then I also share what's for dinner videos, quick, easy, family-friendly meals, pantry staple items, nothing crazy, but just good, honest, working, mama, busy night meals. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll stick around for the grocery haul. I'll show you what I got. Here is you an overview of about the $116 worth of damage I did at Aldi today. Not too bad at all, considering I will not have to go back for a while. I have plenty of meat in the freezer and lots of my pantry staples as always. So this is some things for some quick dinners, lunches, and some pantry restocking. We have really been liking this toilet paper from Aldi. They have a couple of different brands, but this one so far has been really good. I went ahead and grabbed a 6-pack of paper towels. You just can't beat these Boulder. It's like Bounty. Also, Dollar General has a brand that's real similar to this. These are real close to the Costco and Sam's paper towels. We like these. Went ahead and grabbed some garbage bags for the kitchen. I am almost to the bottom of my big double roll from Sam's. And I know it's a better deal, but hey, I don't have $300 to go to Sam's right now. And you can't come out of there. I can't come out of there without dropping a lot of money. And I'm just not ready to do that right now. I needed a gallon of milk. I don't believe I've ever bought the Aldi brand breakfast sandwiches, kind of like the Jimmy Dean ones for my husband. But I went ahead and got him a 4-pack of these to try out this week. Got another pie coming up. Was not sure if I had a Cool Whip in the freezer, so I just went ahead and grabbed another one. Got the irregular bacon again. I'll get this every time I go. This is great looking bacon. It's delicious. Now, I actually got some fresh chicken at Aldi. I like to buy the thin sliced chicken breast when I'm going to be like frying it up or something like that. So I was real tickled. They just had a few packs, but they haven't had any the last few times I've been there. Went ahead and grabbed a big bag of mozzarella. I believe I have worked through every bit in my freezer. I need to reorganize that freezer. There could be a bag that I've lost down there, but I don't think so. Same thing with tater tots. I think we finally cycled through that 5-pound bag of tater tots I got, so I'll grab some of those. Here's a couple of things that will go in lunches that I packed for my husband or just snacks for him. The peanut butter wafers and the Swiss rolls. I got a box of saltine crackers. A couple things that I always try to pick up at Aldi because it is very cheap there is the just spray oil, the nonstick spray, And this little thing of olive oil is very good and it is very cheap. They were out of this the last time I was at Aldi, so I just went ahead and grabbed it. They had the puddings, the vanilla and the chocolate, even cheaper than they usually are, so I just went ahead and grabbed 4 vanillas. Baking season is upon us. I use a lot of these for some recipes in the winter and in the summer, so I just went ahead and grabbed 4. Also, I just grabbed these butterscotch chips, just the same reason. I'm already looking at fall recipes. I'm ready, guys. I'm so ready. So I thought I'm going to go ahead and grab that because I know I saw something with some butterscotch chips. Got a couple cans of this extra cherry mixed fruit. We've eaten a few cans of fruit out of our pantry, so I just wanted to replace them. Now, I went ahead and got 3 spices for my pantry. I noticed when I made sliders the other day, I was getting low on this minced onion, and I think it won't be too awful long before I need chili pepper or chili powder and paprika. So I just went ahead and grabbed those. You can't beat their spices and the prices. I made a rhyme anywhere. Grabbed some Dijon mustard, was just about out of that, and I saw this Polynesian sauce. They also had the Chick-fil-A like chicken dipping sauce, so I'm anxious to try that. And we like their dressing so well, I just went ahead and got another big family size of it. It's very good and a great price. Also grabbed me these dried cranberry and glazed walnuts to top salads with, as well as some little real bacon pieces. Hadn't had any nuts for the top of my salads in a while, and I love that. Got some of their Ritz crackers. Got some of the white cheddar Cheez-Its. This is all Aldi brand, of course. And some vanilla wafers. These have been the best and the freshest of any I bought. I just keep buying them every time I go. We went ahead and got another bag of these. These are so good. This is sort of like a Girl Scout Thin Mint, but bigger and better. I grabbed a loaf of honey wheat bread. I got some hot dog buns and some hamburger buns. Kind of thinking about some sloppy joes. I've been talking about them and kind of got me to wanting some. We may do that this weekend. And I got a graham cracker pie crust. Now, as far as chips go, we were getting out of tortilla chips here, so I got these, which I love, this multi-grain one. And I also just got some plain white kind, you know, for anybody who may want it. We also love these pub-style pretzels. They got a little bit of seasoning on them, some garlic and onion. So good. And we did like Aldi's brand of Doritos, so I got another one of those and a Cool Ranch one to try. And I've not tried just Aldi's regular chips in a while, so I'm going to give them another go. I didn't like sour cream and onion and the cheddar ones last time we tried them, but hey, sometimes things change. We're going to give them a try. And I thought the plain would be the best place to start. Produce-wise, I've got a little bag of carrots. I got a bag of this sweet butter lettuce that we love. Pack of green onions. The trifecta of peppers for that fajita recipe. Loving that. Got a crown of broccoli. A little thing of the mini cucumbers. And a head of lettuce. Again, thank you so much for watching this week. I pray that you have a blessed week. And I'll see you on Sunday for a real quick and easy What's for Dinner. 2 30-minute, 1 skillet meals. I'll see you then.